I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sonic Mania on Android Netflix. First, make sure you have an active Netflix subscription, as this game is included with your membership. Next, download the Netflix application from the Google Play Store onto your Android phone or tablet. Once installed, simply open the app and log in using your existing Netflix account credentials. This easy first step gets you ready for the fun. Now that you are logged into the Netflix app, it is time to find the game. Navigate to the search icon, usually represented by a magnifying glass, and tap on it. In the search bar, type Sonic Mania and press enter. The game should appear in your search results. Simply tap on the game's icon to proceed to its dedicated page within the Netflix application. On the Sonic Mania game page, you will see a button labeled Get Game or Install. Tap this button to begin the download process. The game will then automatically download and install onto your Android device. Please ensure you have enough available storage space, typically around 1 GB, for a smooth installation. Once complete, the game will be ready to launch directly from the Netflix app. With Sonic Mania now installed, you are ready to play. The game offers intuitive on-screen touch controls, making it easy to jump, spin, and dash. For an enhanced experience, you can also connect a compatible Bluetooth controller to your Android device. Dive into the vibrant zones, collect rings, and defeat Dr. Eggman's robots. Enjoy hours of classic, fast-paced platforming fun right on your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.